Have you ever encountered an error that completely derailed your app? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're just trying to use a large icon in a notification. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into the java.lang.NoClassDefFoundError issue. I totally get it. You're not alone in facing this problem. Many developers have run into this error, and it can feel like a roadblock when you're trying to enhance your app's user experience with notifications. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user reported that when they tried to use a large icon in their notification, they encountered a java.lang.NoClassDefFoundError, causing their app to crash. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? This error typically indicates that the class your app is trying to use, in this case, the icon class, is not found in the current environment. This can happen for various reasons, including compatibility issues or missing dependencies. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the NoClassDefFoundError, the user should first check the minimum SDK version of their application. The icon class is only available in Android API level 23 and above. Next, the user should consider using a different method to set the large icon in the notification. Instead of using the icon class, they can use a bitmap directly. Additionally, the user should ensure that the bitmap is not null before setting it as the large icon. This can prevent crashes if the bitmap fails to load. Finally, the user should test the application on a device or emulator running Android API level 23 or higher to confirm that the issue is resolved. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android version was released in 2008? We've come a long way since then, but errors like this remind us that development can still be tricky. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user has shared an alternative solution to the NoClassDefFoundError issue. They suggest checking the Google issue tracker for similar reports. According to their findings, updating your libraries to API 27 and using support library version 27 or above may resolve the problem. They also encourage users to provide feedback on whether this solution worked for them. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your SDK versions and dependencies before diving into coding. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the java.lang.NoClassDefFoundError and get your app running smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to keep coding.